Hello, this is Scott Barrett, and in this short training video, I am going to go through the two ways that you can upload documents to your transactions, whether it be listing or contract transactions. So let's begin. I'm in the new back office website, so I'll click on transactions. And then I'm in my transaction records. I'll need to click into the documents section, and simply here's a button that says upload documents. So I want to upload documents for this transaction. I click upload documents, and here are my two methods. One, I can drag and drop the document here from my, let's say it's on my desktop, and I'll show you how this is done, or I can browse for a file. So the first option I'm going to choose is browse for a file. So I'm going to click here. The document is on my desktop, and then for this, it's going to be the listing documents for this transaction. I double click, and you'll see this swirl go, and eventually this green check mark. It says after all files have successfully uploaded, as indicated by the green check mark. And then all I need to do is return to my document screen, and I now see an uploaded document. I click there, and that is the uploaded document. I can then proceed to assign that document or do other features. This will be covered in another video on how to assign documents, split documents, and such. But let's go back to upload documents, and I'll try the drag and drop option for uploading. So in this case, I'm going to have to kind of minimize my screen. Let's see if I can get to a desktop. Let's do that. And here is the document on my desktop. I'm going to drag and drop the file, and the same process will occur. This thing will spin, and it'll eventually show green, and that means that document is uploaded. I can return to my documents. Now I have two uploaded documents in the uploaded document tray, one being the document that I actually clicked and found the file, and the other one I dragged and dropped the file. These are the two methods. I thank you very much for watching this short video. There are other videos on understanding the other aspects of the document section in the new back office. Please watch the appropriate video to get help with whatever function you're trying to learn how to do. Thank you very much for watching.